Pinoy Henyo.
Ito na muna. To, si Stewardess Saida. Stewardess.
Ba, ibang klaseng talaga yun, ha?
Uy,
What is that?
ano tingin mo?
Hello, sir.
May kape na naabay.
Mukhang tinikman niya yung kape. Tingnan mo yung labi niya.
What color is that?
Gold. Yes.
Gold.
Gold.
Gold lipstick.
Why
Ano?
the coffee? Why the coffee?
Because I prepared something that one bite only and it melts to your mouth. Puto seco.
What?
Puto seco.
Puto seco
Chocolate.
chocolate?
Very small, ha?
Bite size. Yummy, sir. Awesome.
Why is it so hard?
Because you have to dip it to the coffee so it will get soft. Yes.
You will dip it inside?
Yes. So it will absorb the coffee and it will
Pati
be
pala puto
soft.
seco ngayon, may flavor na, no?
Chocolate
Pero
flavor.
lasa
Hindi, you're not. It's not. Ube.
Ube.
Ube, oo. Kala ko chocolate.
Ube flavor.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.